Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, according to international news agencies, Ethiopia will soon receive Bayraktar TB2 and ANKAS drones from Turkey. Because 2 days ago, Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed visited Turkey and met with Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan. And there, this agreement between Turkey and Ethiopia has been found that Turkey will provide war supplies to Ethiopia as it has done before. Viewers, because last month Turkish drones were seen inside Ethiopia, which was taken from Turkey by the Ethiopian government to use against Tigray Defense Force in war. And according to the conflict researchers, the success of Ethiopian National Defense Force offensive on Tigray Defense Force in November is partially attributed to their drones capacities, which was imported from United Arab Emirates base in Assab by Ethiopian government. And since the pull out of United Arab Emirates, Ethiopia has been desperately seeking to purchase new drones. And due to this, Ethiopian Prime Minister visited Turkey. Whereas on the other hand, Iran has provided drones to the Ethiopian government, which was supported in Ethiopia last week. And now, according to international media, Ethiopia will soon receive Bayraktar TB2 and ANKAS drones from Turkey to use against Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army in ongoing conflict. Whereas on the other hand, according to Oromo Liberation Army, that OLA fighters have controlled Finca's sugar factory, which is situated in Horogodoro, and which supplies our 75% of ethanol used in Ethiopia. Viewers, ethanol benzene blending project legislated by the federal government to save forex expenditure on fuel consumption in the country. Since 2011, the country uses 10% ethanol per liter of fuel at every filling station across the country. So viewers, so far it's the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.